What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're here at Truck Nation in Joliet at the Dirt Oval. And yeah, we're pretty early. It was raining for a bit, but yeah, the trucks are starting to get here. I'm here with my boy Lito. We cruise here together. Y yeah, let's go. Let's do a little walk around. A ver qué hallamos, a ver quién vemos. Allá está Astros. Y toda falta poquitas trocas para que lleguen. Ahí viene mi compa Angel Ruiz también. Pero vamos a ver qué vemos. Ya tenemos nuevo cameraman and Neil's behind the camera today.
Got the pussy nigga ain't pulled up, Simon. Just put it out of Perry Road, the window down to the pussy nigga. Smooth ain't shit. The trash stay down for a nigga on the dirt truck. With the jail with a nigga on the cocaine. I told the girl how much love you, I die for you. One thing, told the boy go boom. And when I told the ball on the hoe.
So guys, I haven't recorded much because it was raining and then it would rain and then it wouldn't. But now it's starting to look like decent, the sun's out and stuff. But yeah, the grupos are about to start playing and stuff. The burnout pit, which you probably just saw the burnout pit clips. But yeah, this is how everything's looking. My truck's like all the way over there. But yeah, we're having a good time. You know, there's a lot of people. A lot of people recognize me. I took my first ever picture with the band, and y'all gotta do that because, well, I know you feel some type of way. You're like, damn, they know me like that. But yeah, Team 708 here, and we got Diablos all right here. This is Diablos. But yeah, let's take a little tour. You know, walk around, see some trucks, and yeah, let's go. I don't know how good you guys can hear me right now, because everybody has music on. Here, there's hella clean trucks. And this is just a little taste of what's gonna come in Atlanta, Bandas y Trocas. But yeah, like, it's pretty packed. When we first got here, I think it was only that line, this line, and that line. But yeah, let's go. My boy Leo is not here, he's over there at the concert. But I think los Hosteros de Durango are about to play. But yeah, we here though, we here. That was loud, plebada. Damn, my boy Chini, bro, Adrian. He's over there in Durango right now, but look, this is exactly how you should do your fucking setup right here. Adrian just got welds from Jake's Tire and Customs. And bro, this is exactly what he needs to do. But you know, lock in, step side bed, you know, little lower. But bro, imagine having this. Anyways, we're here. I don't know what to do. We did some interviews, we did with some Astros, and I'm probably gonna do more right now. Once the do like a little run on the track, pero they canceled it since it was raining. But yeah, let's head to the next clip. Let's see what we run into right now. Let's go. Alright guys, so we found our next suspect. He's over here, my boy Robert. He's right there. He doesn't know I'm about to record it, says. Why? But yeah guys, we're here. Relentless is right here. My boy Justin y todos. But yeah. Estamos llegando. ¿Cómo se siente el día de hoy?
El día de hoy se siente mamalón, paró de llover, it's clean, it's nice out.
You ready for ATL?
Ready for ATL, güey.
ATL bound. In what, 2 weeks? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks nos vamos. Este es mi compa. Corrió. Whoa. It's just me and you. Pretend it's just me and you talking. You ready for Atlanta? Mira, se te estoy tapando. No te pones, no me digas
Ah, wait, it's because I tried switching up the setup on the wheels and no quedó.
Nah.
I gotta lift it again.
Where's it at?
454 today.
450. Bro, y'all gotta see this 54, bro. 454. Está pasada de lanza. Damn, bro. Cada vez que la veo, I was like, damn. Pero, why don't you just take this one? No te gusta, right? I remember.
I ain't driving that bitch over there. It got 62k miles, bro. I ain't driving it over there.
Bro, ¿por qué no te quedó? Vaya, ¿por qué no te quedó el
Too
busto?
low, bro, and then the wheels are too thick.
Get some, ¿qué le pusiste?
Lift shackles on it, bro. Cause I'm not trying to do the
Call Juan.
kick.
Call Juan a ver qué te dice, a ver qué le puedes poner.
He's gonna get like an inch and a half or 2 inch like lift shackle. Then there's a drop shackle. Yeah, lift shackle. Hasta poquito.
Y, pero, yeah, we're here. Hoy estamos a ver qué hacemos. To the next clip. Yeah, I missed it, bro. I always miss you. Pero, miren, Omaral, vámonos para acá porque nos van a... La mía también hace eso. But yeah, I think this is ondeados. Not these two, but the other one down there is ondeados. Damn. But let's keep walking. Time to go back to the truck. This is my end goal for my truck. Something like this. I'll go like, chilling. I don't know if I should do it black though. I don't know if I should do it black or keep it red. I'm guessing we're going over here. That's where everybody's going. And then we got my boys from GST here posted. Gorilla Trucking, aquí está. I think he's only GST member that is here. I haven't seen him around the show. I think he's over there. No, he's not. Pero let's keep walking. I was about to say, where's Leo? Pero no está. Mira, están mis twins. Both of them. That one's on the black LEDs though. This I want my color match to be shiny and stuff. Pero no sale. Es nice though. Está bien. This is what I need, a little 5.3. No como el 5.0 when they interviewed me. Dije que le quería hacer un 5.0 swap. Hey. Oh, esa es una real SS. That one. Anyways, I'm probably gonna throw in a montage right now of all the trucks here because it's pretty hot. Y ya no quiero caminar. Let's go. So guys, we're back from the montage, and yeah, more people are starting to come in, pero no tantas trocas. But bro, it is low key, popping, se ve bien. But yeah, let's keep on walking. Let's go back to Leo, bro, because Leo's not here. Nah, look at this one. That's what I need to be on. Oh, they're moving the fence. Oh, look at the flames. Mine does that too. Anyways, vámonos para atrás. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but it's loud. I'm probably dead. After the show, I'm probably gonna be dead. Pero, I think guys, we're gonna go see los músicos play. But yeah, next clip, we're probably gonna be over there. Let's go.
Más o menos así. Cuando me muera, ¿cómo te agradecería que pusieras?
So guys, we just did the award ceremony, and Leo got top 15, and I got top 25. Pero they left my trophy. ¿Dónde lo dejaron? Where they leave the trophy?
Like 3 hours away.
Se le dejaron los top 25. But sí gané. They're gonna ship it to my house. Pero diles a la cámara cómo te sientes.
Me siento orgulloso. Es mi primera vez ganando un trofeo.
Se chivió cuando le dijeron su nombre.
La verdad sí me chivé poquito, más o menos, pero no estaba la cosa. Está bien. Mi compa murió también ganó en el top 25. También está bien.
Algo, top, that's two for the books. Pero ahorita van a empezar los austeros de Durango y we're just gonna chill. Y ya, a lo mejor voy a agarrar una comida que los tacos están a $5 y casi ya no tengo feria. Pero ya, next clip vamos a andar haciendo algo a los austeros. Y luego están pasando los dos Tamaulipas y Legado 7. Vámonos.
Y arriba Legado 7.
So guys, this is the end of the show. Legado 7 is playing, and yeah, I think I'm gonna head out. I'm pretty tired. We're here pretty early. Yeah, shout out to Diablo, shout out to Elegant Entertainment for hosting this thing. And they didn't have the trophies for the top 25, but they're gonna ship it to me. But yeah, stay tuned because we still have Atlanta in 2 weeks. We're gonna leave out Thursday. 3 videos. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I don't know how long this video is because I filmed a lot. But once I edit, it's not going to be a lot. But yeah, we made it. It was fun. My boy Ruben's here. As you know, Benny Billy He's over there. I said what's up to him. A lot of people were here. Ondeaos, Astros, Destino, Chavalos. Of course, Diablos was here. One GST member was here. Angel Ruse was here. Bro, the list keeps going on. And can't wait for Chicago Truck Invasion. Because, man, we got to pop out. We got to show the country that we're the next Texas. We're the next Texas. The truck scene's big here in Chicago. And, yeah, let's go. I hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe. Until next one.